It is my honor once again to provide the country with the national overview of the outcome of these elections. In terms of the 213 municipalities that were contested, the African National Congress achieved a majority of 161 municipalities. And the Democratic Alliance achieved a majority of 13 municipalities. And the Inkatha Freedom Party achieved a majority in 10 municipalities. And in 66 municipalities, no party achieved a majority, which are now deemed as hung councils. And in the 8 contested metropolitan councils, the top 3 parties are in the Buffalo City, the ANC with 59.3%, and the DA with 19.52%, and the EFF with 12.6%. And we'll proceed to the city of Cape Town. The city of Cape Town, the DA got 58.2%. And the ANC got 18.63%. And the EFF got 4.13%. Ekurhuleni, the ANC got 38.19%, and the DA got 28.72%, and the EFF got 13.57%. In the eThekwini municipality, the ANC got 42.02%. The DA got 25.62%. And the EFF got 48%. And in the city of Johannesburg, the ANC got 33.6%, and the DA got 26.47%, and Action SA got 16.05%.